Welcome back, Divas, to the Triple D YouTube channel. Today, we want to show you these new gel polishes that are on the Triple D website right now, with the exception of the red. So Triple D just launched technically five new gel polishes. If you got the June Diva box, you got the red in your June Diva box. But this gorgeous yellow is the first color I'm going to show you. So I applied one layer of these gel polishes on all of my swatches, and that's what it looks like with one coat. Such great coverage. But I want to show you guys what happens when you apply two coats. So on the second coat, obviously you're going to get more thicker coverage, but what I plan on doing is doing something we call marbling. And it's because these pearly gel polishes can marble. All you have to do is take a sharp tool like this wooden stick right here and just draw like little figure eights or circles, truly any kind of small little design like this that you want, and it will give it a marbled effect. So just do this over and over and cure it in your nail lamp, and bam, you have easy nail art. This gorgeous red was included in the June Diva box. The June Diva box was a 4th of July themed Diva box. It's absolutely incredible. So if you got the June Diva box, this was the color in your box, and it will be available on the website very, very soon. It's super gorgeous, so consider adding this one and the blue color for your 4th of July mani plans. Now to protect and finish everything off, I'm going in with a no wipe gel top coat. I've cured every single layer for 60 seconds, and I'm going to cure the top coat for 60 seconds as well. Okay, so here are the brand new gorgeous pearl gel colors that are now in the Triple D lineup. Let us know in the comments below what colors you're looking forward to seeing being added to the Triple D gel polish lineup. Let us know, because you never know, one might be added. And before I go, here are all the other colors that have already been released, P1 through P12. The new ones are P13 through P17. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!